Now the problem in promotion is most of you have spent thousands of dollars on promotion. And it's got mixed results. Some of you have gotten pretty good. Some of you have just wasted it. Some of you have given up on it. Now there is another condition. Some of you don't need to promote because you can't handle the work you got now because nobody in the back's working. That's real common too. But I got a question for you. This promotion. How many people in this room ever went to marketing and advertising school? So the rest of you, where'd you learn all your promotional skills? Okay. Now I got another question. How did you get here? How did this room get filled? Got a question. How many in this room had ever heard of me before they got a promotional piece or some kind of flyer or some maniac called them on the phone? So the rest of you, how did you get here? Psychic hotline? You called and they said, oh, there's going to be a management seminar on Saturday and you need to go to it? No, most of you got here by heavy promotion. Matter of fact, we send 4 different promotional pieces. The first piece that you get is one of the 2 newsletters. The first newsletter we created jumped our average attendance of the seminar from 35 shops, we only count shops, 35 shops to 95. There's nothing on this that is by accident. It is so good that one of my competitors has copied it and we're about ready to sue them. There's about $40,000 to $50,000 worth of marketing research in it. Nothing on this is by accident. Matter of fact, we did survey work on it. This picture of me is one of 500 pictures that was taken. And they did quick flips on it to get the best picture. And that's the #1 picture. We know in promotion and advertising, you have a quarter of a second to get somebody's attention. Right? We know for a fact that most of you, if the guy handles his own mail, this is how most guys, shop owners, handle their own mail. They get the round barrel at the end of the desk. They pick up the pile of mail and they go thunk, 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 thunk. Ooh, ooh. That looks like a check. I wish they'd mark those. We know for a fact that sometimes this has actually ended up in the trash. And sometimes people are going, I'll look at that later. More commonly, what happens if we have the woman or a spouse involved in the business and they handle the mail a little differently, they look at that and go, And especially if it's the wife, she looks at this, grabs it, puts it on front of your desk and goes, read this. You need this. Yes, we know how this works. This whole layout was done. This picture was tested. Matter of fact, I hate this picture. Makes me look like Rush Limbaugh. Also, here is the symbol of success in the automotive industry. What I mean by the symbol of success is if you're watching television and there's a bull running down the street, a commercial, and it's a bull running down the street, what investment firm are we talking about? Oh, you know that symbol, don't you? You know, on every Merrill Lynch, they have that symbol flashed there. You know what's coming. If I said there's a Rock of Gibraltar in the commercial, what insurance company are we talking about? Yeah, so you know that one. Mercury Cougar, Ford Mustang. Almost none of this was created by accident. A lot of survey work was done. Well, we happen to know the symbol of success for the automotive industry is a busy, well-organized shop. If you see a guy with a lot of cars in his shop and it's big and it's well-organized, you say, man, he must be killing them. Okay? So, say it again? Or lots of comebacks, yes. Perfect. Matter of fact, that's your justifier for how come he's doing so good and you're not. It must be comebacks. All right.